Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable sticky keys in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here in interaction and dexterity scroll down and here you will see a sticky keys button. So if you want to enable sticky keys, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable the sticky keys, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable sticky keys in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.